And if this disappoints you, well, you're just going to have to learn to live with disappointment.
Well, I sold my karaoke machine. The cap guy didn't buy it. It's not going to Oklahoma. But I got to take it to Walgreens and drop it off at the FedEx location there. And of course, while we're there, we'll check and see if there's any clearance. So let's go to Walgreens. Sold comps are anywhere from $10 plus shipping to $25. This is the actual item that was on clearance. This item, that item was in the wrong spot. It's not worth it. Not enough profit. See them selling for $8. There's another one of those Legos. I tried to buy these last week and they said they weren't on sale. They're sitting right there. So I'm assuming they're on sale now. Somebody bought 2 of them. There was 7 last time. There's only 5 left. The doll I bought up here last week, I sold it today. Let's see if this one's worth anything. As you can see by the sold and the listed, it's just not worth it. We got these, 4 of these, and we got that doll, even though there's only going to be like $5 profit. And that's what we got. I think it's time to check out. Well, there you go. $85 worth of inventory and one quick trip to the Walgreens. Guess I could walk to Walgreens. There you go. Alright, well, time to go home. Gotta mow the yard. Big wheels rolling, moving on. Turn the fan down a little bit so you can hear me. Well, that's going to conclude the trip. Just one quick stop. I just wanted to let y'all know that Walgreens is currently having their 50% off all summer items clearance. And you can go in there and buy certain things that will sell, you know, relatively quickly, and other things that will take till next summer to sell. But there's profit to be made if you want to make it. This is Man Mountain Link, over and out.